Dear students, in today's lecture, you will learn about how to separate liquids. In part 1, the focus will be on separation of immiscible liquids. Do you know what are immiscible liquids? Immiscible means the liquids which do not completely mix together. Example, oil in water. So let's get start how to separate liquids and which are completely immiscible. So separating immiscible liquids that do not dissolve in each other are described as immiscible. For example, oil and water are immiscible in each other. You have observed that by adding oil into water, two layers are formed. The upper layer is lighter and the lower layer is the heavier layer. This tidbit is from your book. When immiscible liquids are shaken, they may appear to mix. In fact, they form an emulsion. An emulsion eventually separates into different layers of liquid. Now what happens if you can do this experiment at home, that take a glass, pour water into it and add some oil, stir it. You will observe that oil and water become miscible, but actually this is not miscible, it is an emulsion. By keeping it for some time, you will observe that two layers are formed. How do we separate immiscible liquids? To separate such immiscible liquid, we use a separating funnel. This funnel is known as separating funnel. This is a cone-shaped funnel. Down here is a stopper, and at the mouth of the funnel there is a lid, or you can say a cap. So this is the arrangement. I am repeating it, that at the stem there is a tap, you can open or close it. Above or at the mouth of the separating funnel, it is stoppered with a cap, and in separating funnel you can only separate immiscible liquids, such liquids which do not dissolve into each other. The upper layer is of low density liquid. For example, you can say cooking oil, and lower layer is of high density liquid. To separate immiscible liquids, we use a separating funnel. For example, to separate oil and water, we use the following procedure. So, what is the procedure? First of all, pour the mixture of oil and water into the separating funnel. First of all, pouring of mixture of oil and water. But first of all, making sure that the tap at the stem is closed. After pouring, place stopper on the mouth of the funnel and shake it well. Do shaking of funnel. Shake it, stir it, completely shake it for 10 minutes, for 5 minutes. After shaking, then place this funnel at a stable stand. You can take a retort stand or iron stand or a simple clamp. Only you have to do is to place it at a stable position. Any ring, place this funnel into that ring, or clamp it with an iron stand Why we are doing this? To make it stable, so that the apparently the two layers, you can see that they are completely mixed together. You have to provide some time so that these two layers separate into two layers. Now you have place it, support the separating funnel using a retort stand, iron stand, or a ring of iron, or a clamp, anything. Then place a clean beaker below the separating funnel. Now what you have to do is place a clean beaker below the separating funnel. Now what happened? After keeping for 10 minutes, after providing 10 minutes stability, what you will do, you will open this tap. As you can see that two layers are formed. Open this tap and remove the lower layer. Allow the liquid to separate completely. Yes, this one is very essential. You can't do it after shaking. This may take some time. The denser liquid will be the bottom layer. It could be liquid, water, or organic layer, aqueous or organic layer. Open the tap of the funnel to allow the bottom layer to drain. Place another beaker below the funnel. Open the tap to allow a liquid of the top layer of liquid into the beaker. Dispose of the liquid collected. Now the separating funnel contains only oil, while the beaker from step 4 contains only water. So you have successfully separated two layers. Students, check LMS NMS NPS assignment for assignment work, and please make clean notes and share in WhatsApp group. Thank you.